Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Whatever we make in the month of February always comes out in the shape of a heart. Let's see how to make these beetroot tikkis. Into a large bowl, add in boiled beetroot with some boiled potato, finely chopped onion, some ajwain, salt, cumin powder, roasted peanut powder, some green chilies, cornstarch, and some gram flour. Mix everything really well and mash it nicely. Once it is nicely mashed, and if you feel like the tikkis are not coming together, you can add more gram flour or cornstarch. Now here I am using a heart-shaped mold to shape the tikkis. So nicely press it down onto the mold and then slowly take out the mold, and you can see the tikkis got perfect heart shape. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and our one tikki is ready for frying. Make all the tikkis in the same way. So we're going to shallow fry these tikkis. Here I sprayed some oil on a frying pan. Place the tikkis and fry both the sides. And that's it. Simple and easy, heart-shaped beetroot tikkis are ready. Definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.